Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about Wipeout. It is a draw toolbar command. You can check out over here. So here you are going to find a Wipeout with the help of your menu bar, or with the help of your ribbon palette. If you want to find out where it is, means then you need to click on the drop down menu on your draw toolbar. So it is going to show you over here Wipeout. There is no shortcut key for your Wipeout. If you want to use this Wipeout, means complete name you need to give Wipeout, so then only it will work. There is no shortcut key for your Wipeout, so I'll teach you how to for few commands there is no shortcut key. If you want to assign for those what I'll call for those things, if you want to create a shortcut key, then I will help you out how we are going to make this shortcut key for this whichever the commands they have not provided with shortcut key, we are going to provide that one. Okay, now I'll hit over here. When I select this Wipeout, you can check out here in the command line, it is indicating me that specify first point or frames polylines, right? So first one is with the help of manually we are going to work whatever the first statement, it is going to given over here with the help of manually means random click. I will take anywhere else. It is a small plan. So what it is going to do, this Wipeout means it is going to provide a covering on your existing plan or a plot. So it is going to cover, for example, if I got a very huge drawing, so whenever I was going to select or whenever I was doing any editing things, so it is going to distract or disturbing me, means during that course we are going to use this Wipeout. So here first I will take manually. See, you can check out here, this is my first and second, and I will click over here third. So you can take a number of a number of points wherever you want to hide the particular diagram. So if you are going to take 4 points, and after that what you need to do is you need to hit a enter. When you hit a enter, you can check out here the complete diagram, whatever the plan I got over here, it has been hidden, means it has been provided and covering on the top of that plan. You can check out here, if I was moving this, if I was moving from here to here, you can see this much of plan, but this whatever the area is there, it is covering my plan, right? So here there are again methods also is there. We are going to see those methods also, how it is going to be work. I'll just take a copy of this plan, same plan, so that you are going to understand easily. Because of that reason I was taking the same plan. So this is 1, this is 2, okay, this is 3. No need to worry, because I have copied this diagram from other file, so I have not set any of the diagrams or all those things, so the dimension was appearing very large. No need to worry about that one. So here I'll type once again Wipeout. So I'll select this one. So here it is asking me now what I'll call, now I'm taking a manually 1, 2 and 3, and I will hit enter. So you can check out this one, it is hiding my the existing plan. If you want to move this one, whatever the Wipeout this covering is there, no, if you want to move some other diagram, whether it is going to hide or not, definitely it is going to hide. You can check out here, I was taking from here to here. If I was placing here, this diagram is going to hide. So wherever you are going to place this whatever the frame it has been created now, wherever if you are going to place over there, then the existing diagram is going to be hide, because it's just like in blanket when you are sleeping in your bedroom on the bed. If you are sleeping, if you want to hide your legs, how you are going to hide, right? So you are going to hide your legs with the help of by covering your blankets. The same thing, if you want to check out whether the diagram is present under these things or not, then you just select over here and you can drag and select. You can check out here, it is going to appear in the dark lines. Okay, it is going to appear when you press the escape button. Again it is going to shown in your what will call covered area, right? The other two methods are there in Wipeout. We'll see those how it is going to be work. I'll type Wipeout, I'll select this one. So here it is asking me the frame. So when you want to use this frame, first you need to create one polyline, then only it is going to work this command. For example, I will take one rectangle, right? One rectangle I was taking over here, and I will select from here to here only half part. Okay, now you can use Wipeout. Now I'm using this wipeout command. Now during this time what I was going to do, I was taking the what I'll call your polyline. Polyline and frames are there. First we will go with polyline. Polyline, I have created one polyline over your rectangle. So I will take here polyline. I will choose the polyline. When I was choosing the polyline, it is asking me that select a closed polyline. So my closed polyline is this one. When I select this one, it is asking me wipe out erase polyline, yes or no. When this wipeout command is applied, an existing covering is going to plot on this diagram. But whatever the polyline is there now, that whether you want to keep or you want to remove. If you want to keep, then what you need to do, you need to select with no. If you want to remove, then you need to select with yes. So during this case what I will do, I will go with no, so that it will hide my diagram. But you can check out here, when I was moving this one, whatever the existing cover I was moving from here, that will lies over there. For example, I was moving from there and I was placing here. You can check out here, my existing polyline will be here, right? The existing polyline whatever I have been drawn, it has been not removed or it has not been trimmed off. The same thing I will take here. This time I will check with respect to, if I press yes, what it is going to happen, right? Now I'll go with the polyline. I'll select polyline. You can just type P also, that is also going to be work. I'll select this time and I'll hit yes. So this time what is going to happen, that polyline will be erased. I was moving from this, from here to, I just placing somewhere else over here. You can check out here the rectangle lines earlier where it is displaying, now it has been removed, right? After plotting this, your wipeout means your coverings on your plan, after plotting this one, that has been vanished, right? There we have been selected that it should be trimmed off or it should be cleared off, right? One more is there, that last one is your frames. So I'll write here wipe out. You can check out here, that is your frames. So in these frames what is going to happen, so when I select these frames, so it is going to ask me the three conditions. One is your on, off, display but not plot. So on means what, it is going to show you whatever this whatever the wipe command, with the help of wipe command we have been created these coverings, no, it is going to be display. When I select this off, it is going to be off, all the it is not going to visible. You can check out here, now it is visibling because it is on mode. Now when I select the off mode, it will disappear. You can check out here, my diagram is hiding along with this, whatever the edges of this wipeout command is there, no, that is also switched off, right? The same way one more condition is there under this wipeout, under frame. See here, under the frames I got here display but not plot. What it is going to happen, it will appear this, whatever the outer boundary line is there, no, that is going to appear. But when you are taking in the printing, it will not plot it. Means it is not going to plot that plan, whatever the below this wipeout, whatever it is covering, no, the below plan will not going to be appear. You can check out here, I will show you display. Now I have selected display but not plot. I'll go with printing. So I have pressed the shortcut key over here, Control P, so it will appear. Or else you can go with respect to your application. So here also you are going to get the plot, or else you directly come here and you can hit on the printing, that will also appear this dialog box. So what I will do here, I'll go with PDF. I need to select the PDF. Where is my PDF? AutoCAD to PDF, I call it here, DWG to PDF. You need to select that one. So once you select this one, so here the paper size is also, I'll explain about these things, everything, when we are going to deal with respect to the plotting. So I'll select A4, A2, A3, A4. Okay, I'm selecting A4 size and I was going with respect to window and I will choose this one. Okay, I'll choose this one and I will place this center to the plot. When I was taking a preview, you can check out that it is not at all going to display. It is not at all going to display. What it was there, it was stating me that plot but not display. In plot it is showing me this the hidden part, but it is not going to display, right? So one more option is there. If you want to see this one also, whatever the things, it should be on, right? So if you want to see this, whatever the lines, we are going to get this thick lines. If you want to display in your plot, means you need to switch it on, right? Now what I will do in wipeout, so during this case under the frames, what I will do, I'll just say on. So when I say on, again I will go and check well in the plot what it is going to happen. So here I will go with the previous plot, so I will just give the preview. You can check out here what it is going to happen. See this existing boundary line, whatever we have been created with the help of a wipeout covering, so this will display. Earlier it was saying the third comment or the third condition, display, sorry, plot but not display. It is going to plot over there and it is not going to display in the earlier case. But when I switched it on the command, what it is going to do, it this whatever the coverings is there, no, this is displaying on my plot, means on my printing paper it will display. So this is about your wipeout command. So if you got any doubts or any difficulties while using this command, you please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I will help you out. Thank you guys.